90% of premium Western carbon frames are manufactured in the same Taiwanese and mainland Chinese industrial parks as the direct-to-consumer brands you fear. The difference isn't geography, it's the rejection rate. Let's quantify the China discount. You aren't paying for better raw materials. Toray T800 fiber is a global commodity available to everyone. You are paying for the mold amortization and, critically, the quality control rejection rate. Major brands discard frames with minor internal voids. Budget open molds often sell them. In 2026, we categorize Chinese carbon into 3 distinct tiers. Tier 1 includes brands like Winspace, Seka, and Elves. They own their molds, run proprietary UCI impact tests, and have local distribution. Their safety factor is engineering grade. However, aerodynamics and ride feel are distinct from safety. While a $800 frame might survive a crash test, it often lacks the complex layup schedule that provides vertical compliance. You get a stiff, wooden ride feel because overbuilding heavy carbon is cheaper than precise engineering. The safest entry point remains wheelsets. Rotational symmetry makes wheels easier to manufacture consistently than complex frame junctions. Brands like Farsports and Light Bicycle now use high TG resins and filament winding that match or exceed Western equivalents. Before you buy, calculate the total cost of ownership. A major brand frame includes a lifetime warranty and often a 2-year crash replacement policy. If you crack a direct buy frame, shipping it back to Shenzhen often costs more than the replacement value. Here is your 2026 decision framework. If you are a competent mechanic capable of inspecting head tube races and bottom bracket tolerances, Tier 1 Chinese brands offer incredible value. If you rely on a shop for service, the labor costs of building up a bare frame erase the savings. Inspect your layup, torque your bolts, and ride safe.